Ewe abusiafo ye mamo akwaba afe ye to adwumadie ni so baby adu so ye de Ghana nkomo no na ebe mamo nanso ansana no. Belated happy birthday to you, Pakwesi Akule of East Legon. Yesterday was your birthday, but we all forgot. Daddy didn't forget. So from your daddy, Mr. Frank Akule, from mommy and your sibling, and from all of your loved ones, they wish you all the best in life, grow in health, wealth, wisdom, and stature, and then increase in all aspects of life. So it's not over. It's a whole week celebration. Enjoy the week and make sure you bring me some of the cake. It's important. So Pakwesi Akule of East Legon, happy birthday to you. On that note, Uncle Frank Akule, Ghana first. Uncle, good morning. Empacho Boko die. I said me to catch no, and then Uncle Mike Amon Kwafo, meaning say nyame adom ho of CCI, meaning say ho ye pa. Good morning to you, lawyer Osewusu, and then lawyer Dennis AJ. Thank you so much for all the help. I'm really and truly grateful. Afe and someone ye babedi ho nkomo no eni. Ena krata no dia ba se owura yi match ena court to emani bedi nanso enya ade a bedi no ye man no kofie conditions of the bill nyina omiti ye ma court to chair ni awonye charities nyina otimi provide ye chese omiti conditions of bill ene ye kan se kofie na watwe bia braba akofa ho be kire ye say enso se be ya na ye beja na manako no ya mananko enu achi se be kai opedi ye Gregory Afoko no bra Attorney General Kaso Mikra case in me interested bim was striking no out no filing only prosecute no and now sign the fresh one te hwa and na wo mu sign che no and na afedi e de no kwatwim na manfo bi sa na obi ayama ni bill di adan na mo ma no nko and na enura court kwa asetena na ban lawyer penny sign the call yes say in fact bill condition bill no mo demand match na up till now yan farmer no na or them court to say a money bill, but mama na nkwa or that's with them no crass. I bill no crack court no train sign. Me more money bill ni bim adenia. Na bone for seminar na de say de wosusu say wono no wa ye na woni hu bie no say kane Upper East Regional Chairman ma MPP enipa bi kohwie acid go ni so ma papa ni free mu ya no o eno ho asem ho kwadu na osi owura ni hu bi fact ono ne prime suspect wo mo enti sa abonfosem ne mu aduru tie bi omu show sese ye man bed na bia na ama wansan amabiem to eni nyina so enti aban lawyer penny de koka che court say bed no kra mo mfama apa court na sia sesa na adwene I court no man bed ne se me anam kai e kra se maka na menweye enti me kan se mama bill afedi bill no me nya ansan fama biem isi ano ayen komodie se wetimi basa court for etimi sigina ye bisa de enti kra na first one no match ne yede ma no na enu no wo man kan court wa no mo bu court animtia na wo mo san de ne to adabonpono chia from March up till now ama ene court na san ka se masan sesa madwen eni court tumi mu si wo sesa na adwen ana court tumi no e wo mu die na nso enye se wo besesa no anyway anyhow ana anope ye bedie ho enkomo na afei anope ne bon mane wo chronicle mo Enura Chronicle na de by say dispatch rider wodi former president His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings enimuno enipa bonifo bi akoto ne tuo nyame kan ne nsa nti se wote ase nko ampo ye fa ho da nyame ase ena no pay Chronicle na sign dia babiem say wo mu eye hu nhwehwemu kakra posifo aye no ya kire saka na meka say na trendy on social media say obi kwa de buy say help identify this car na it went to rob at the filling station or fuel station whatever and almost say sankrofo na omukoto dispatch rider ni tuo no omo ana no omu twisa car no and omo de sa Toyota car yin so ababa beto a high sense omo timi identify sankrofo as to say identification dey aye but see enya wo machi omo no eno so asem fufuro ena afei na no road contractors ekote painting kwa se wo ma ye adwuma sika ne ma ye eni ade a ma wo mu Ministry of say roads na enei wo ma ye enhyiamudie ana se yate abedwakuo a aban ankasa na atesa abedwakuo no asrafo ana ahye ya wonu hwe sikasem so mo hwe akwan so mo ka ho His Excellency the Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ka ho ayam wo mo be sa abro so na 16th enti still ya pai July mo enti we be na wotwemienu ntem by July ending no wo mo awie bibia wo mo emfa emeto abanyanim kwan wo be fa so obetua sa contractors no eka na afeyi etimi ato ayi enti we no contractors no makoma to mo ye manase gise gauta ganama ansa no wo mahu se bibia ye making kind Ghana Integrity Initiative for krata no trail na mo se mampani se opani a wabo ni din owura Kwame Ewusu se onkonko ye board chairman Emma Ghana Revenue Authority ne de Uncle Kwesi Pratt be ka adabraka se wo wura ya ono ye pani anu oda Maritime Authority ano or ye renovation near my course so air conditions or toy any ade ehun sembe ye ho wo my Ghana mu ma wo no across after press conference cheche mu ai mi hotel ne ye party no na ntidie die na simu kwa na manfo say Maritime Act no kra no enhyada ma ho kwan sa efise ema ho ye de ma se obetumi aye bibisa enti ade enti no ye ne sa no nso acheche mi say conflict of interest bi ama ni nyina mu no no te committee ni on hwehwe mu ne kosi sen enti GII for say ya bedwako no fa report ne maaye emaye hu se de esiko afei yesan ma no se onkonko ye board chairman ema ba bi omu ko gigi sika no omu gigi sika hwe sika so de ene na che se omu se adabraka enti anopai makenka sakrata na cho ye bedi e ho nkomo se na omanfo madwen ye mu efa ho yen guest anopai Honorable Samuel Ayepe MP Ayensuano Ojinamuma MPP Amanyoko no na ye twen say Honorable Nilante Van der Poy MP Odododio ebeba beginemo ediama NDC Amanyoko meantime no ye Honorable Ayepe Eshase Honorable Ayepe good morning.
Yeah, morning. What today?
I don't.
Wonderful.
Me da wase. Me da se pa. Na onso onso grey hair naba. Constituency for no na hawa na say yenyi na.
Oh, ni nyina.
Someone da form.
Onyinka ho nse abusuya bia ne future say unyia.
Yeah, okay. It's a good day fia de. Okay.
And stress so say adwuma yi.
Enye easy.
For instance, what how stress no dey.
Yeah, me worry your bomb ho ka.
It is stress no so the two with thing.
Everba. That's no pay so when your time amaye. Okay, ya monkomo. Se constituency boko de.
Nyame adom.
Nyame ase. Yen hwe Gregory Afoko asemi amafo anopai amafo di ho nkomo pa and they are asking say I don't know bi ayama no bill 3 months or more cause March, April, May, June, July almost 4 months na mo buko to animtia afi enra abanlo ya pani eji asan ko say there bi ade na yesusu se onim ho no se mo ma ne kwa bi ebe ha yen court asesa na adwen so amafo say e dey say na me come say oh ade court no onim ho kwan so asesa na adwen bi mu ana what is going on because I had to say in as much as you share justice no I say political twist e was sa asem way.
Well, medical echia weti for.
Okay.
Na mechia ayusu anofonso. Mpahine ne nnuano madofe wa ayusu an mechia wo nyina. Mechia ye ma mpahine na ado dan kwa kufu ado. Na no na international organization bi aya abosobode ama president ewo Africa nyina na eba abontin se ye president Excellency na ado dan kwa kufu ado na oba se Africa nyina president a obon homoden na ninimdie ekonkan na owo vision niama osusu okwan mu na ogusu ye no ya ade ebeboa Ghana na abo Africa nyina nti mebona baso na Ghana fo nyina hoahoa se ye president yetumi edesa abaso body kesi yama no na to so ebien no nsema ewo court no se wo dan no na wakeka no wanka ni ye pepepe ya fraud contempt of court.
Yeah. Enti we ye de be ko ho ye be titian
kakra.
Eni mpo ye nko ye pa yemfa wada nchen ye ko say.
Ensam no aba ahoro abien.
Yeah.
Na nka mepa say Attorney General's Department be ba bonten abekasa.
Okay.
Ansa na yen sheda any professionals in the legal institutions and yet to me I can be. So I say, what read the papers in o see a granting the bail. And I feel well sanka yaman the bill na wie. Ye jaro no kono. Or dem with na one sang court to say and some and into them and some nani so. Nti woma bill no which way no one twam na court ejetom na emra mu no say lawyer bi anase prosecutor say defense lawyer so your prosecutor say or they are appeal to the court na court no eje ne appeal no to na be judgment of the court.
Okay.
Nti who am I to challenge the government or the court? But in same issue people are wanting.
Yeah.
I need to make a sanka Attorney General Department be kasaya ke be boa yempa. In some people wanting say police phone no here prosecutor and Attorney General from so kekensi. You am not granting the bail no. And you am was sanka or the ba na surety and I say you be me atuma to me say eninti ye de asi ginan say kofie na court ni hwan ye be frɛ no. Sa nneama no Gregory Afoko ene ne nkrofo na lawyer fo ene na busuafo a na April bill na ma no sa nneama no woganya amfa amba. Enu so
e ka de me na me ka say nkrata ni bi ka say omiti conditions of bail no enye sa
nyame ntra me ka kire we si papers ni nyina wo kenkan a eso we meet condition of the bail na identity ni ama ni bail yama ni bail but so wo tie niama nsem bi Attorney General ne mpanifo ni bi nso kan na kire say when to meet conditions ni nyina anything na otwere mu abapem sa amiri it's not say nyame ni mu ni say nenti a me pesa ka Attorney General kasamafo beba bontia be kasa ne say ye nyina ya court akwedi nsam ne akọ pre-bail ni adama nkrofo pen so we defense lawyer na say o court ko grant ko gi bail na court no grant bail no normal certain conditions na say u meet conditions ni nyina na say police fu ekita nipa ni mu na say Attorney General na okita nipa no mu a also jana ma wono so anya na ma wa ye free baby contempt of court na say police fu no I contempt of the court.
And I can say what book court na ni.
Enimtia. Nti na osanka defense lawyer no sane we kan ye no kwara. Na osanka defense lawyer no on wasanka o twen ema saa court day we na prosecutor no ekwa appeal for extension of detention no. Na wasanka o twen meso. Na osanka no mu dikan omra o meeting conditions ni nyina wo still awonja no. Na osanka no dikan ko contempt.
Okay.
Well, osanka no mu dikan
ko kan check court
no say o ma ye me conditions ni nyina wie.
Okay.
Nipa ya bu court na nimtia.
Okay.
What can say me meet condition ni na wonja onipa na mami. Me meet conditions ni nyina. Nipa no ganya na mami je contempt. Ada na wan yes ah.
Okay.
Anu na ma me ya je di say. E bia na sania nipa bi so ka say want to meet conditions ni nyina na ya.
E be possible.
Inti ya hwe na Attorney General Emra Bonten no meka bibi na enclear ne mfama yen. Na yen communicators no yen hu baby e be jana se be si aka asem na fa. And yes, answer the defense line number one so make no kware. Because I don't think now we defend obi court. Na nipa no wako press ya man bail. Ni ama nipa ni bail. Na e wo say wo meet conditions. Na conditions e do to akwan mu no. We meet conditions ni nyina. Na wo say still a wo nya nipa no want to me anko for contempt. Nti no ho no me na kakra. Nti ye be say Attorney General Babonten but me the minimum say when to me meet conditions ni na enu nti na order so dem bepem samre no nti edu pempen so bi no yam to me enka se onipa no afe kura no ntumi meet conditions ni ya na otwere no san so ma Attorney General and prosecutors na we keep enipa no na won so wo ya asodin ama court
say bia wo meet ya na den na esi Attorney General kwa na wo de ya wo ni nsemu kirechire mu kire o manfo say oh cause before wo be court ne no na me kai say Penny be parliamentarian be a comment say aden na oda so edem cause wadem wrongly ama even a lawyer nanaya or say kra and so one was sending message ya granted Gregory Afoko bail and so aden na aban lawyer Penny ancheche mu say oh and say ya shada say ya gene ye mu court animtia ye ne court na ye adwuma ye te ni de edema court wase emum omitti conditions
mama ya o so no me ya adwuna o bu say atemi kura no work court a wo PF court bo say na attorney general na say state attorney bo say na press for interview nti menye di say BBC kwan say attorney general's department and a state attorney be granting interview to the public. I don't think that BBS will come because there could be several after court to PF court to them near interview no. Nti enta make say one man about make us na ntumi asem no fatum. So asem we court ya wontumi emfa here say kan sa na wotwintwan judges na name. Nti one man about make us
a bit interesting so say no so say o meet you say we meet you and no so dey amamu wo court.
Yes.
Aden na no so nka amamu ho say so adentin na opanyin yama ni bill no da so ha ana say no so aban lawyer panin na nka say my lord enye se ebu manimtia except that
we tie prosecutor na san kwaka say oh onipa yi yama no bail bosuma bi esani ontumi meet conditions no ye ontumi ma na ndam amra court amani bail decide a court cancel bail na ye prayer or the coin no no the coin say asem na okita ne enya asema e wo say ye man bail but yan try na the public can say Supreme Court ruling no or the discretion of my judge no one can say sebia you some degree of offense bia ye my bail until recently
say a case bia ye
bailable offense okay. The discretion is still in the hands of the judge. Okay. Supreme Court anya no blanket say once a nipa no or apply for bail no say be money bail the discretion is still in the bosom of the judge. The judge na kasa between the nabashaka sampa Supreme Court aka say kidnapping, armed robbery, murder, blah 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 are all bearable. Okay. But at the same time no Supreme Court ni anyi tumi a judge di my bail no enfi judge ni nsem. Okay. Nti judge ni betumi ahwe condition na kasa da bi me na me ma o bail. Nanso fe bosoma bi esani a ukoda mu a bail no ebia to meet conditions no so we meet conditions no me hwe new development nsem bi epue ba na sa bail na me de ma wo no prosecutor ni se mentwam me tie prosecutor ne nsem na me tie defense lawyer ne ntama sa bail na me de ma wo no metwam nti me nya ni se anke ade e we se e de controversy bi aba se na mo ba bi a me ha me kese me je di say osanka e ha Ghana ni bia nanka say be mani bilu ye mani bilu eno kra nya se osanka e discuss na ehu hi a osanka na me no ye tena ha na ye ha ye ngini ye ka na Ghana fo nyina ka ene asam na ya dragon sa today te den pa na wo mu a ye ntumi nhwe na if you prosecute and if you
criminal trial e honum no mbe can wheel of justice na to ne boas if say ye wudi asem na ye kai e wudi asem na nti na ye bua obi kunfo a wanhwe yi a wakokum obi but e be ma ni bail no so ye asem a ese ka because ne fa hu de once a ye convict na ye nka se ane ade no waye mpa enka ne fa hu de no ebi ni ebetie
se wo de mami se wo de fa ahodi ni baba mu dia ni o de see titi are fa ahodi so dia dem pa na sen se ya suspect so obi akum obi na mfirihia be sa na nkwanu ni na se de pa yentumi ni na asem wiye ye na no kra na wo di tie ni pa na fa ahodi so kese yes because they are so on the beam so the ebi ameka say no the beam. Now we're keeping this. No crying how the teacher and found this. It may be Jenny say your prosecutor
when the bail comes in. Ain't see ABO
woman bail no fi bail cry na okokot de be ya tete. Yeah. Nti ni aye kan say asem no ache. And nti ni ye wo appeal. It is a trial judge no and as a prosecutor no dey na from so whatever. One sentence no. Now it will call other French speaking countries now. I do ask time to be corrected. I'm saying one case we buy, you are guilty. If you are not guilty, prove to the court that you are not guilty. But you would never be pronounced guilty until a court of competent jurisdiction. Exactly. Exactly.
Almost civil. Exactly. It's almost there no. Obiani baby a burden of proof.
Inti ni aye can say asem no ache. Eno na we say Ghana for ye be how yen. Na say your prosecutor fault. Say your defense lawyer fault. Say yeah, judge for no and our court no damn by investigators need to be enough evidence to sentence him and whatever. Not say you for say or you bibia na ebeja na fine. You be
enough evidence to get judgments and sentences.
Judgment.
Let's say judgment.
A judgment, yeah. Right. Enough room for speculations. Me just say, I don't know what say how yen. Na Ghana for nyina, ni ye yen ando betumu bi ama court no na ye hare. Na wetume bua asemi. Ha ni ye kan, me nua ase eyi aye political issue na ewo limelight. Nti na say Ubia Ekebi. Hundreds of such cases are still pending in court. Ubia to me, the Musa no afemu crash and enqua. Inti, and when I was here, can not yes, say, ampa, say, who and so many other prisons are. Nipe be da 10, 15, 20 years. Ye ni wang asem. E be to me that condemn cells. And you condemn prison cells. I'm we are na. Say, only Panada cells, ye ni na se mu wie no da hosa no we baby docket ayira delays yes baby docket ayira Nancy ana chief justice echo rounds court yesa omo echo prisons echo di assembly justice for all no ye kokoto nkrofo a e bia dem 15 years 20 years omo docket kra ayira prisons officers
say on remand
the docket ayira. Yeah, fan court to grab him. On court to grab him. A book rabbit says, You're canny and narco courts. You see, so these are some of the things I would say, yet you ain't doing a course. Now, your money bill, when you bill offense, a case natchet. Young so
4 years,
I saw
4 years, Achesa.
Now, some way, crowd, I was on KD 1 year.
Wow.
Yes, to the best of my knowledge, I won't say 1 year. Me pese asem no court nti ye pese ye beka na ye kase bia ebinku na say nifa but asem we nya asem osanka eche edu say afekura nti ye sre say prosecutor no
na ye kom na say ye ni masem
nti na me pese ye beka ko bebre no nti nia me ye sre ne say ewumu say ye beka bail or not bail no hatem but Ghana for yan twen adwene nkoso na your pressure be ye fanto court no so na all my judgment na prosecutors no so nyo madwuma ye say na ye gya no o kina ya akire no o kina ya prefer fresh evidence and ye say na
no pressure the court dey intime for pressure and so almost because they work with their own pace and time
it doesn't it's true there now so no kware ba ko pe sa asem ne no kware a wo betwen akosi hia na be kwakosi na be kwakosi ye nya ntam ne yanko ani.
Thank you. Yentu aso na yenshe Ghana Integrity Initiative challenges president over new GRA board chairman in the person of Mr. Kwame Uso. Sakrata and one will be a kinkain.
Ma story say me na me chairman for Roads and Transport Committee.
Yeah,
na Ghana Maritime Authority is one of the agencies under my committee.
Okay.
Inti issues yi ba no issues ni ba me ko mu pa iye. Inti me ten inti na se kakra o.
Okay.
Na se ye konsa me nya ni se me nua bia ebe se obi sori ye konsa obi sori no the allegation be beto so. Na ye hwehwem a fundings na be ba bonten no de ye pese ye de be ye adwuma once ye allege say why bribi ni ntino na ye mfa sa asobo no enso yawo a kodu pempen so say
hold on what say GI for asem no findings no aba bonten
na me kire say the mere fact say ye be allege so bia ye bribi no say oye so anye and ntimi e ma no position bi abi mo na
omasemo mo kan say allegations no yes yenye mu hwehwemu enhwehwemu no ekosi sen because say enhwehwemu no emaya assembly na efa ne ho no any baby a okọ no eye sensitive kakra corruption sem ne yeken baby a okọ iso eye taxes asem ene ye kwakoka ana okọ akọcha ma o magigi
say president
until they are asking for two things say either say president be publish findings na who say findings in about out and that's so me because according to the Ghana Integrity Initiative for kasa findings na ma bonten because omo bisa say either president be publish that findings na mo papa no kra sa ne ho son ana so say akrase makamenwi o be rescinding the decision say papa no enkoye board chair e wo chia
na tinu say ye be dia go say fundings the president and sa enkan say president enya fundings no nensa enkan ya menye ni sanka obeye sa appointment afa ye hya no so no ye hu se asem no bae no ebeye hu ba radio so ye kan we counter statement ni ade but no committee was set up to investigate it.
They asked the authority itself no cry amount forecast authority na kasa na omo sanction because according to the Ghana Maritime Act no say omo to ade procurement hye bia e wo say eko authority nani enti authority no board na omo procurement ni bi fa omo anim na omo approve omo an omo san koye investigation na so as for investigation I should that kase committee but omo charge authority the board and they say investigate.
But so authority the board here omo investigation it is the consumption of the minister or the president and omo your investigation and omo report akakuma minister
and yes about public
minister I forward the akoma president president ni report man say minister report no who say papa no bibi boni a menya ni say ye besenga kukuru sa appointment e de abade biom nti no say Niameka akwesini say well say what's what person who report now there's nothing wrong with say that report no about one thing yeah ba report no about one thing so papa no cry say wanje boni bia anything na president assign amane sa board chairmanship appointment and it ends it because say why you be boni a yes some fan no very sensitive position to say Ghana GRE
no but say no the president ne board no and womunim and no man for ni say president usai say obeye niam nyina ye amayen no o hwe yesika so wa ha and o hwe man na adwuma so wa ha enyema bi ko so ye hu ye nte ye ho ase enti enye se ebeboa emwa even president ankasa ne aban se obeka say muni how report no say netie
Into a request I want to president anymore.
Well, a press release or more issue, yes, they don't understand why. That's what they say.
Into young president's response say what they publication publish reports are kind because reports we are minister. Let me say I've served on a committee on MPA, minister of transport, a set up committee say young call MPA, MPS. Issues na your man report. That report is to the consumption of the minister. Because minister na initiate say me person sad way me hu near course.
Okay.
It minister no here it inform the minister to take a decision.
Okay.
Mami you report to the public consumption. A bit is to advise the minister.
Now in
a
this
bit to advise the president.
Okay, I'll come back to
it. Say appointment be abaso. Na say Ghana Integrity Initiative omo ntiase no we say president report and sakan aye to the consumption of the president no we say wo su wo hu na ede asumdwe but there's nothing wrong with that president with me this report na about one thing am obi e say papa no odi bone na say wani bone
mesaba na afi mami enyi sunyaya bisim ene odododio MP enche sunya bisim brado odododio MP late kakra no why but honorable member next time order honorable Nilanti Van der Poy MP for odododio akwaba
yeah
how ya elite but when
let's say be metna 8 musha say 8:30 Medru at 8 musha say 8:30
but
ene traffic na nya kura atkweta kese bi asesi tetego area ho na
oh okay
akoso traffic akra
sorry ye ko bat ye nko fa na ye hwe Gregory Afoko court amani bail and so be since March I am for bill no amano and then any enra age san ko kan say there be omo hwe said the matter ni city na court and science san adwen and a court so asesa na adwen a waji bill na free ni nsem so na ye die no ho nkomo say court ntimi sesa na adwen na ada na court so ama bill so na ebi mu so ebu enimtia wo ho bi so si o ebi ana omo so ma meet conditions of the bill okay nka baby who I see they met but adwen so about say maybe they didn't meet so omo meet here they could have gone back to say that they are meeting conditions of bail and so man farmer and a maritime authority kane penny no ura kwame uso ene esonko board chairman na Ghana Revenue Authority Ghana Integrity Initiative say debi emfa na munyakra openi na corruption sensem bi koso bra no maritime honom na call saying na reports in Ghana phone who ya sign the adwuma hye mami mu say honorable IP question with then I'll come back. Honorable IP, dear Ntina Chinchin as papa no. MPP you have the men. More men no. It's a controversy one who are na there one who are munyo before.
Well, why not? See what me you before. This time me catch we see. Report na ba no. Sanka. Idea. Oh yeah, Bonnie Bia. Can you so fan go jare?
Eno dey wo wadwen because omanfo no nim.
Yes, and Ntina Ghana initiate integrity initiative say on fact reports in Emra Bontin.
Yeah.
Na Ghana ni na betuma church o man who say reports egu ahoro bebre. Report bi o ha public outcry ni aye investigation ni e dey about Bontin no bi ehu. Reports bi o ha it informs the president and the ministers to take a decision.
You have the men adentin na chinchin a ono.
Some men dey won ho. So to say report be about Bontin e be hu bonu odin say be papa why minister da bi sa no. But me wakasa office got me set say mo yes answer mo na family
politically expedient ana o dey ya clear pa
and no na me pese ye dey be asem bi say say me ti hoyi na obi aka asem bi atome so say ye no kware say nya no kware o say yes ya ka asem na atome so ntin nsem won ho nti ye hwe ne ya ma no position bi ana ya fa na to ba bi asa sa dia and obi mpa wa asem a obatumi akwakọ kan asem bi dey ato so ba bi na say sa ansem no edidi wa achi hwe na me tie mu sister station Peace FM.
Okay.
Also, more program be amoye na awia. I'm saying no dey awia. It's about entertainment review.
Ne.
Papa be can say bi. O say obi kire o e bi fa no. So or you cheat or you say no dey to social media as a reporter bi no dey beto mu. Na ye debate na you say me mu ya. We it's not true. What can Ghana for bra obijai? It's a circulating within social media platforms no so the entertainment also for Canada and do airport Canadian airport or per exit I say I was on man ko mukita ni visa na bibia no also no delay 2 hours when so then na we be dia dance actually say we adwuma say we Ghana nti ya ma enter Canada abasen aba also power type meeting me a very popular person in Ghana what type meeting ya we be hu niam amaye what typing the first idea pop by and they say me person about papa needing over SMS is a cheat. Are you a cheat?
The more reason what come and be CGI for assembly, so the more reason why I was say report no has to be made public.
Anything I make say say report the investigation or is to advise the president and the minister. But your common appointment now man for say hey asema papa yi adi eba yi ye hu ne fapem ne ye sign post we aka no o report kura me nsa kan ti me gina so hu so anya abone ma me the position we ma no eno ni about me about next that will settle that's all
me no sha se no na 825 se se 848 meaning that where you so almost 23 minutes into fairness 2 topics. We are giving him the 23 minutes, but it doesn't mean we some question. So then I mean target.
Sir, our judgment we and your fair. And decided so very late.
Oh, what decided?
So Uncle Tiana because I 23 minutes and I can't sing be our bank. I just ah, go benya right aka. Ono atena fia late tell me. Who say on the menyina e aduan na e dia. Uncle ba na media komeyam no be dey adi. And dey anya yes sir.
Don't go say nya aduan na budi.
Why late? My 23. Woman 10 minutes. Okay, me so me tena fie. Na next time me ba later. Also date time o do aka. Exactly.
Oh my late that.
One adeba kan was say here to punish late comers.
Today I won't punish. Thank you for your beautiful suggestion.
Oh man 10 minutes out of my 23. Now can say no atena fie no me chale friend.
So 5 minutes kwa make asa.
10 minutes out of my 23.
Me yaba me dance ni edi kan na me de nchia be ma me persuaso for na maka cho mo say me dom ase na nkranhye mo de ahye me say me momode na me san file me nomination na me san nyina abaso me champion ampanfo ahemfo asofo ne nka ho nyina mo afrefre me nyina no ehye me nkran me dom ase kan kan
ko biem no de obekọ anyway say afa no akọ 110
mpacho 2
o say 2 bi mo afifi mu
bi no mo afifi mu
ba wo de onkrofo se ko
nkranhye amenya free my info especially Alhaji Kabiru English or Muslim chief Serichi Ausawa won cry no e na hye me crying kese pa.
Oh, I see.
Nyaba onim ya se Ghana ni atafrache ye wo mra wo man mu ye de ne beko sati bia mu me ye de makogina nsemdi bia da na me hwese na abansa asemdi bia bacho me nkrani a
na me bua won sa ka me kese
obetuna kankran
Fio manima we
can
we gani
eh time what why interjected oh you feel sa obi aga o je
make asa no me ko ni constituency obi hu krobofo na wo ho no me kan ko twa mo be
ba so ye wo na akọtina bisim ti yo
oh that's me bon me homode
bon homode akakakra
yo onim ne me kan se edrumre bi a ya
okay
em say wo so afi na wo kwa eyin no sometimes ana atete say the nipan kwa na brabo edi agro because of politics and answer because of the way prosecutors ekura nsam obetumi akokot onim say na court we obedru obi a na abeji adjournment na ekọ tete munye hwe de bia na wonam na yesa na Gregory Foko nsam no me de tutu me ne ho na me hwe ne me fam no na me yase ono so afam sa na edi kan no
all the tutu they say same scenario and I
no me say so 4 years na me nam court on just a misdemeanor.
So misdemeanor is different from
yeah but me ka say me no ne me fair mo kura no misdemeanor delay ni nkan wo fair mo no
all right
me de tu ni de ehu a ya e won abra ne de no a very serious criminal case a ne akeche ukon no ya sanka ye di asem no kura wie no hu odachi a anka ye menua ba asemi senam kakra mesua tafra jame mentumi ensua enu akire ban femi na metina law class no so many issues are basic law issues are mehu osade mu no enya kakra na kakra yo ne dikan no asemi akọ court papa yedna twem owuma yedna akọ court edin call court no you see if say enya jury omuko select jury any nkan wede ne ba ne ya asemi ase ekedu baby a na otumu say judge no kra na na tete se na yes ensem kono e ma de bi o ka kire state prosecutor say mumfa mu defense mumfa mu yimra mumfa mu state yimra mu meka mu asem ne ehwe na ya ekodu pempen so bi a afi na hu asem se kono enkoyie e na eja ni lawyer for apply bail enti o apply bail no na edikan no ono prosecutor na mpene e koso ansa na high court no e ma ne bail na nye oman ne de e ma oman no e de ko appeal court
okay
by procedure no e right o de ko appeal court e na appeal court etwegu ye say mu bu ni fa ngodie so nti ye mpene enu echi a asem nankasa ba se mu senni because appeal court tugu ye se mu senni a mu entast e no le prosecutor mu ente no le prosecutor no na mu asa achi ne pakro na bo na sa another high court ho na
say ho no e was alternate ne say omo ente no you prosecute for another and then a fresh charge came
a high court is a high court law first class the kache man say a court by form and structure is the same
okay
the high court was sunyanyo high court wo koku ase high court wo nkran o nyina high court ultimate enti me no kakra minimum wo say be me ya e be nwa say substantive case no the same
okay
charge prefer against no the same
okay
ni omudi ba say say sia nipa ba ko tu odwane ye no ye saka no enti ye hya asem ni nyina se ofo no kakra nya na kakra na ne me ka o musa ne say anka asemi asema straightforward case anka ade a din but criminal case
yeah
obi nkwa ene na brabo nyina na da so no mfie mienu ni kan ye say nia sena asɛm ni se bae no ni pakora ɛfa no ho ɛne nkeka ho ni ntino ye pekwan bi na ye mmea ni pakora ne akyerɛ de sɛ
oh should we go
to me wo yes
court doesn't care about that
oh please ja me nyaba ni ekomi uhu nsabi wo akyire
in contempt of
uhu nsam kase bi wo akyire
Adam,
have I gone into the details of the case?
Yes. Substance.
Oh, how? Oh,
my friend, me say, me can't substance into the substance of the case.
No.
Me say,
yeah, yes, say. What's him? Yes, say.
And send me, I want to me in Pina.
If I
call defense side and I
baby, okay, Kakon.
Baby,
I want to
oh, tell me now, so one of the Tiano, none quarter night.
You, Matt,
and Tim, tell me now, so the meeting is it. Yeah, yes, Senia. In Sabi where chira. Baby, I 7 fun, Pakra 7 fun on Hono. Be binty. Young family, say, be
fence so betty the Unia ye can say. I dear yen ye, dear, my yen fat yen preempted. Say BB koso
actions of the prosecution no action of the prosecution no ho asem nieka the way I proceeding with the case no say no me see your case no the Pakro court is here money bail so many months your money bail
now what bisa say omiti
conditions of reports abanyina no say omiti conditions of the bail
na the lawyer answer and come back
the lawyer call
but in part what count so they are not giving
okay say the lawyer call him to the sense that court no cite the IGP and the attorney general for contempt
okay
what I say say the lawyer and court and court no cite him for contempt
and e ko si sen ho
and I say enu echi ye person ka substantive case no yes and who has seven no na mako another court say bail no the judge should rescind and na me nwa e was asem nyina menyaba usuamra such a case a civil procedure criminal prosecution pa na state attorney abegina ho aye on oral submission.
What if the court allowed it?
Oh, minyaba. And
once a court, a judge needs him say my court. And see judge, you know what he or she allows will be allowed. And
but
judge allows on your oral submission and a procedure.
Court your procedure.
Okay.
Procedure no. O form na. Asem no be buye kra na obi me gina procedure na o form ye no so. It mean it can say asem no we muni. And
the lordship that sits wa akonya nim no when hu so manfo.
Menyaba, unnim say in criminal case no. At least the lawyer for the defense no. Kra no. If set a fracture nia wo file if so munya copy no mutumi prepare omo ho no mo back court. Because obi nkwa ho asem na e ka no. When your civil procedure we to ko gina ka na kemi we fa obi nkwa ho. Na obi gina ho. Now one bushy.
Said then we are going into substance.
That be because one bushy the defense counsel no. Oba court onimuhwe na oba file case. E
hono de yenja because e hono judge no oba chere say I allow this so I don't allow that.
You can procedure no asem. Say near
that is when normal we BBR, but this time that it is going on, so that young judge Juman Fin in Semunye, he sits in his court. So what he allows, I mean, in German.
And lawyer for defense counsel, I want to mean come answer. So no more come answer. And no be any, you'll be among our command in say. In some say no, ye maquine, Emma Asseman, near all file no, Uma defense no, a copy, no, no, so whom anu year or the member.
One say the entire Mika said that Mika say openi die say it happened like that. Almost see farmer judge in it na say monfa mo way you know mo statement say mo dey no monfa ma almost so form dey ma. It was it came from the judge.
Because that's the procedure.
It na Mika say how dey wo dey yenjai ma court no because then procedure is part of the substantive because and also near number debedi asem no tmfa no
me me na sansem nyina no na me kan say ye ni afoko ni ye me sere se mra no se na si kɔ no ye nyina no ye sua ena ne yesi wo na brabo emu yi ebetumi asi kina e wo me die mu ebetumi asi kina wo wo die mu yenhwe se yentina obi fa ahodie so a enko yesenia tafrache court no ye court baby a obi abetumi e de insanu no nnwoma mama ne opese eye no eba
okay
ne ebato so me no fa sa nsema ye kana no pe ifa
yeah
ya say menya be maka say papa ya asema oye no investigation my me pese onu ankasa ote ono ankasa papa no oye e wo Ghana Maritime Authority no onu ankasa na adwemu no omu no bisa no say oye onu ne company any area obi ti say obi to me obesa on the area be share nsema na.
That is when you have seen the report, then you can pass judgment.
And your report on one casa no moon sema o kan epo.
Okay. At the press conference.
Yes.
So anya mane ho. Ebi to say ebi ni say ene he's no more the CEO and on your head of Maritime Authority. And whatever renovations that oye will fee ho no in the enye party ni dey but in relation to the field.
Now okay field nkwa unka party na the party ni dey.
I'm saying say party ni dey aduane aye didi.
Unka lunch buffet no.
And I'm saying aduane aye didi ko but say wo ka say the oye no oye ma ne ho no. And I'm ka so wanya ma ne ho oye ma the office enti no ni we air condition say ebo ho. Only way say fie no say si ho. Enti the obeba no onu no be you see.
Enti say eye say obi to me sorry na wase say you go no dey go lorry kwan so say odi go lorry kwan say Ghana kwan enti you go go so a enye hwe enyina be fa so yesika your mind sika na o say e say prudent spending ye de kitwa ne man no o spending ni yie o hwe so yie na de kese koma no GRA board Ghana sika futo nyina board
Susu ha woni na Ghana na asemuntia Bocheman de enye ne ya Bocheman kwotena office ye day to the administration a wo so ye law kakra company law Bocheman de important no ye board meeting once a while asa
but board no and they give direction to management and to say board ne say management for utiko wura we mu yen say sika say yen say a nipa oti Ghana Maritime Authority crowd me set almost 13-year conditioners e wo 4-bedroom house. No ko GRA board a ohuska bebe then obeka che management on ye. And then otumi spending 1 million Ghana cedis on buffet. And no head of end of year keke 1 million. Nti a year fan is saying oko GRA board a end of year then o me. And yet me train report.
Okay.
Near me can say on one kasa ne num nsem o de buy defending ni oye as chief executive of Ghana Maritime Authority no eni kwan say president na Akufo-Addo edo man yi a oye na Akufo-Addo na milante minimum na eni kwan say odin ko tan be odin ko tan no na ne me ya ne say I paid ubisa no question say ada ni penny ho MPP mu ni nipa. Yeah, we have the men no omuni bi
you are making a
member no mo so mo nyina nkora omunim who
party that government
free esuro be ka fam omuni who omuni tin men way men wo hanke nu ni me ni tua me kasa is ni okan ye approve a regional minister onye hwe oba pom na committee troka e me nyina gi tum se ye si ni pakoro fam ne mpa ni pavomra omo se debi ebi ni ho ono ana yepe
na ebi ni ho
omo se ebi ni ho ono ana yepe
nti ute Ghana unte edin akese ne
akese edin
omo wo party mu
look the capacity and capability of the person no enwon enidi mu e won adwuma yemu enye din obi nka say why governor deputy governor said there Bank of Ghana nti yen for man ma no enigare ede ma no ye why
enye na wo hu
why vice president no Erade nyame onu kra de me money dey kra
economy na enyi na reporting na nanu yesi mo de papa bi efi Nigeria by former bank of governor of Federal Republic of Nigeria bank. So growth said the Ghana growth. So yeah analysis na munya ka say papa.
Opa fasa e na kan na kan ye.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry I will say almost say binu nkenkan. Minim so ma bonsa brofo simple English kwa mun tiase. So because Ghana should look at not going the way of Nigeria.
Why mo na bon?
Oh, Mr.
No pay the auto bomb pa.
Enye bomb na meto, me kan okure. Because any panel wo ha. The fact say obi finance party no. Na no nkyere se ne pakro. O man de bre. No kotra ho. No gu o man na animase. Ogu wu ankasa party no aban animase a. Because of finance party anti no. Na we kukuru.
Maybe we are judging the man wrongly.
Money crowd the man no crowd me ahwe so ye. Now di nantwie man no.
Say oko eho a as board chairman odi ni nim there because he wouldn't have access to money. He would not be involved in day-to-day administration.
Then onim.
Eh.
Onim owo nim die bia na so onim ade a anka onko no ye Ghana Maritime. Obehun say
fair comment.
What I am being fair. Onim dia prudent. The word prudence keke onkan onkofa dictionary no onkan obehu se ne oye Ghana Maritime Authority no ento adwin na nokram enkwa jo nkramu ya kan dwomo behe.
Okay, mentiase.
Okay.
I hope so onye ye no.
Debbie.
I hope so onye ye no.
Me say
why did you not tell me?
Oh ampa.
Oh yes.
HSA.
Say adwin no ye na adwin nyansan. That is only what he's trying to say.
Me say one fan to home.
One fan adwin to okay. But is it not
okay, fine. So say I shall withdraw my withdrawal.
But
why not? Oh, Mira. Hey.
Oh, me no on a parliament. Me betena ha.
What I can say. MPP Nimen. You were a minister. Under your watch. What happened in your ministry?
Mami.
Is it all called the personality attack? We cannot attack your person.
I don't
care. You were a minister.
I can't say
under your watch. What happened at your ministry?
I can't 3 minutes. More land.
Me say
what happened under your watch? As a minister.
I can't 3 minutes. By 9:10. Then I'll come.
Ube kai say after Brazil. Commission here no. Minya Bema Elvis was removed from the minister and taken from minister taken to the office of the president.
And Ojen said no punishment.
Me say, no punishment.
No. No.
Okay. Fine.
The man should have been sacked.
Thank you. Okamubi. I pay Kamubi no mukasa asa you know. Me wa a campaign.
Okamubi no mo ye.
Okamubi no mo to sa nyom no.
Say nka he should have been sacked.
He should have been sacked.
Because
fine. And then you fair not to esi then you move the person from Ghana Maritime Authority to board chairman of GRA. Promotion. Not even demotion.
Really?
Promotion.
Board chairman to CEO to board chairman here promotion.
Any promotion.
Okay.
Promotion. Every Zenokran, there is no complaints. They say why as a minister I see
and there is no day.
Say when this can be when this report is when this one. But when I say papa as the minister or somebody say
so you were telling the man say prudent and also no he wasn't effective or efficient supervisor.
Thank you. Yeah, what happened under the Ministry of Youth and Sports under this government? Australia visa scandal.
Then
no.
Compare.
Let me say, omo mu gina pampa so. Ekika sense some time ago no. So on omo ye worse. Ghana deserves better.
Thank you. Yes, Honorable, I pay. So when the time 9:10 pepe so
net you foot na to say. Emri bi etwema na aban bi wo se a one phrase penalty incompetence. And that's how
but your main interjecting we are also being time to
and that's how Kasa want to be. Hey, and then you are competent people.
Okay.
And then we are seeing now what the presidents are be the other Africa in our transcending so. Man, now do don't Kufu Adwaba. A P will say, oh no, the best in Africa.
And Africa called the cheaper.
And then economy na mo be ja on
poto. He's been honored.
I'm saying Africa has gone back 100 years.
It doesn't matter.
In your eyes.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, the world have seen it.
Sir, Africa akọ n'animu so akọ n'achi o. Se echi no kọ ya. Won ekọ n'achi ni nyina. Ono the best. That's all one kọ echi bi. One twi Ghana nsan.
The best in there.
I beg.
And the presidents.
Say
you some time ago.
Na ye the best player in Africa. And when you say the subsequent ones now we are the best. No they no the best. Netami.
I'm happy you have said yourself.
Netami. The best. Netami so any akase Africa and Ghana. Your economy no etumpun akonanim.
In the land of the blind, the one Aima is the chief.
It doesn't matter. God is the best. The timing, our president. Most of my time, no, my president now we in Samerano, Africa. You the twins in any even on your gina.
First,
when they were back, I attack a deep personality. Say now a vice president, now or a deputy governor. We need share. You were a minister under your watch at your ministry. Then they see.
Can you mention one?
Inti, yes, sir. Oh, yes. Performance bank.
Can.
And now the Bible.
Can.
There be near way and the Bible. Under your ministry. You tell us. And then I'm going to be under your watch. Nothing. Nothing.
Me muscle. Ghana phone in any.
Sir, Obi Fufro can find. But who?
One
same ministry. One to me. And yeah, baby and ne. When way you better make say you me and Neil and Van der Poel about ministry here and otumi man sad way ya ba bedu sa pempen so way it mean ya ka competence afa to baby kra ni anhwe eniyama pa na do na kwa na akufu ada na do kwa akufu ada na ban ye no na entumi mu a na Ghana entumpon na baby ayadu no enya ade a Ghana fo ebe sande sa amemu yi amamo se mo nsanfa Ghana ensan na echi eka bebre ba mo di jawe ene mo hwe contractors road contractors eka mo di jaho president sanitation bola esa ka mo di jaho national president health insurance ka mo di jaho ane ya ba ya betuatua sa ka nyina sande economy no esa na menu abia yekan mo amokofa professor be fi Nigeria ba se omra na onemo emeto mo bo betu mo fu ame ya se mo poka akwafa professor of University of Nigeria University aba no abetumfo na afutu no odema mo no mo mpasa mo de baya adwuma na so Ghana for the won ate wo tie na papa ka ko social media obi a botie ntie ni mu nsam okan ni bi ne se aban we atumi aboa ema ne Ghana economy atuto ye ema the largest economy in Africa Nigeria or the young to na or the compare obi a hu say ampa say see can say economic management be a Ghana economy na kodi na enye Nigeria afa ene Ghana enam enyuma pa na do dan kwakufu ado ene na ban enti it is a mutio se wantio Ghana fo agya to say yes amiri esen bra na bo ho no nti e bekoye ngani yen sign ga chi fa man no ensan bra mu bi
o see the word incompetent yente say the super account super incompetent na
and the somewhere na mo kan
na incompetent nyemo na mo
kan the Ghana fu na ajeto that more than 1 million votes less than 1 million votes
una say we see the
yeah wo de mame e ba wa friend abem
me friend abem
okay
me say na me kan say na Ghana for the super account super incompetent super corrupt super inefficient yet the super can dey now nti me dey me kan what Ghana for the enye me na make ne to so mielu ne me kan say me say MPP fo nko fa papa no lecture na nyina ne otwere nyina mo kan so mo ni makankan a mo kan
ye tie voice no nya ne kan
omun kan no mo voice mo tie ne ya omun nye selective perception.
Okay.
Omun kan ni nyina mo nyibi mfrim emfa institute omun condition omun kan ni nyina in the context he presented it no mo hu ne yoka ne to so miensa dey me dey say me nyawe my kan me fa hwa me ho but my performance at the ministry na nyakopon adom ode me koye no it's there for Ghanaians to judge enya me judge say kase competence pa de omo pa yen fa ye huntutu ye ho omo minister no ebe
okay
omo de no yaba ne yaba omo de ono betutu me ho ebe oh and the Ankamesa Komechi. And the level, Kura. There is no way you can compare any MPP minister. Current ministers, there is no way you can compare any to NDC Jomame's ministers. But one. Now compare them in one. Just
now, how do you judge it? You can't ask them. You any panel? You say the contribution to the economy.
Then you know, not even one, but one. Me compare them in
Try to listen to yourself and compare economic indicators.
You see, a banwe no, or the intro nada in a babemu, or the intro ni nada e bu minus so. The intro ni nada e de nebeko.
You done. Me da say Facebook has and I'm making camera way. John Mallow, the host, is defending the NPP man. Please be honest, I don't see seriousness in this government. All right. Ability Akomia Sechi says, Nanaya, please ask Nilante, how did he feel when President Nana Addo became president of Ghana? Kingdom Kaleshi Kwesi says a high court of competent jurisdiction gives bail to a suspect. Another court overturns it. Me, mockery of justice. That's him, Kingdom Kaleshi. Richard Amponsa says, what do you know apart from Ododo Diodio? Hey. Where they are going to vote for you again. Chia, you at where only that place, okay? Miss Pearl, yours is a compliment for me, and I say thank you, Miss Pearl Swagger. Musa Abatua says, yeah, what Honorable Nilante Vanderpoel is saying, I agree. I can't fathom how, under the leadership of human rights lawyer, President Akufo-Addo, fundamental human rights is being abused. The injustice done Gregory Afoko, despite granting bail by the Accra High Court and another High Court rescinding the bail, was an attack on human rights. And I'm happy Amnesty International has added their voice. Honorable Abedi Kwada Sukumase says that thank God President Akufo-Addo has urged Africa to improve its self-reliance, saying there is no Father Christmas coming to develop the continent. But I think the NDC is a diseased political party. They have nothing to offer. President Akufo-Addo has done very best to lead the nation to the promised land. Rasdan says, Honorable Aipe, do something about our roads. Kwame Ejapon Dankwa from Utum for the convener of Crossfire Ghana. It is not funny anymore. What is happening to Afoko can happen to anyone in this country. Where is GBA, Amnesty International, and other CSO? Why are we all mute? Eva can cool. Good morning, yeah. These NDC people do like we haven't seen them on par before. Okay, so these NDC party or people are behaving like they've not been to power or they've not been in power before. Madam, tell Nilante that we are tired of their lies. Ability I've read you, so it's okay. Richard and Ponsa I've read you. Chief Mano saying at Tonsukumas, in fact, it takes a leader with vision like President Akufo-Addo to roll out all these wonderful social intervention policies within half of this tenure. And I'm not surprised to hear that he's been named the best president on the African soil. Ghana is working again, so we should all be supportive. Bethel Asante from, I think you wanted to write Ablekuma, but the K didn't come. So I assume it's Ablekuma. Good morning, yeah. I'm enjoying the program. Please ask the NPP man if he has seen the video in which the said man going to GRA is on my Joy Online. So let us stop this hypothetical attitude in this country. Greetings to my mom. Okay. Antonio Beabla, the Fiekuma Zungu Takrad says, on the new appointment to the GRE, I'm very surprised. The Africa's best can't make good choices. Africa is in big trouble. How can President Akufo-Addo appoint this 13 AC man as board chairman of the GRE? The NPP claimed that they had the men, and look at what is happening. If Ghanaians allowed Nana Addo and his NPP government to rule Ghana for another 4 years, Ghana, then Facebook for this year once you Preston Bell says, my wife Kesewa's birthday was yesterday, but I forgot to wish her. Okay, so Madam wish her for me. Okay, yeah, Kesewa, happy birthday, belated one from your husband Eric in Kaswa. I can see obeying a Jeso Besiasa says, yeah, Honorable Neil Lante has exposed himself this morning. NDC government, who has the men, brought GDP from 9.1% to 3.6% worse in the history of Ghana. An NPP government, who doesn't have the men, has grown the economy from 3.6% to 8.1% within 2.5 years. We measure economy by GDP growth, not month. NDC, never again. And I read the last one from John Neil Lante Vanderpoy, Tamacom 2 BBC, and he writes, the probe into the former CEO of Ghana Maritime Authority is yet to be made known, and he's already appointed as board chair of Ghana Revenue Authority. I'm shocked. Okay, so that's it by way of your comments, Yes, so now it's 9:20, so 10 minutes more, and then person give me time, so Tia betcha 4 minutes, no mama me too. Nam dia pom. 4 minutes here, I can patch 2 topics, the one that you're okay with. Now I can 17. Now saying can be a trendy pa, can you see a call chronobo? It was filling station B and a 4 station at Watema. Now some bit to just say Papa J, His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings, ne dispatch rider. Ebima bonito no omo identify the chronicle say omo identify sa microphone no botu no say the same microphone no mo use sa car no. What is going on? The other one, road contractors. Me sure say road and transport committee chairman ebe person beka road contractors no afa ni set up committee am 2 weeks say omo fa enche how to pay them. Why so?
Well, person beka road contractors and debt no has been.
Okay. So 4 minutes.
There have been payments.
Okay.
Now no reporter yes I kind say sika na ye de contractors, especially from the road fund. It's about 5.6 or 5.7 billion Ghana cedis. You have a payment to the tune of about 3.5 billion. But road construction, you can see certificate due for payment and yet the total cost of the project. Contractor near you the stage be no re-certificates are need due for payment and near the account debts no.
Okay.
Until emre wutuano na new certificate because contractors need be gusu obo yadwuma.
Just when?
Until emre wutua nyina no na debts ni bi so eba beka ho.
Okay.
Until afi you be a friend interest on delayed payment. The contract and certificates no or sign the contract na one number of months be na weeks be as when tu ana kana sa amene twema. Ni sika no won chenga won twa nyina no interest be ba ho bia so or the debt no. Until no should increase debt no. Until you know and just said bia minister na say government we ba ni tu contractors can be to make sure document clear payment akoso bebre.
So that contractor for
Ghana contractors.
No, like how long have they worked? Because said your mokasa I say adwuma no kro mawie mete wo nche mu na se a ugusu a we adwuma no we pema na wa be raise certificates ni achia. Now you continue. But when we no demonstration it's like the job has even been done.
A certificates are my adwuma to certain percentage that certificate need due for payment.
Okay.
Contractors be my adwuma na wie at oneself last certificate has not been paid.
Okay, so it's not like the entire contract.
Exactly. Obia nipa na contract ye do mo ka nyina no case by case.
I don't be mu dia chesa bear 4 years.
Very well. And no na entina president ISA vice president and na a 3-member committee bi ano na ye hwe na ye tu sa debt na se because he gross construction betumi akọ nanim pa assemblity as a chairman and hu and the petitions are whoever manim e betumi akoso pa che say ye pesika say ye bosia say ye baby benyeska bia no na debt ye twiase
because before I do contracts ne be ma no ya budget estimate ye need the sika bi so enti afa ni asia be pesika e ba betua
you see sa 17 na make us be generate competence, super competent because we are minister of roads and highways and now we are buying out be there. Now you are doing what will be award contract without looking at your budget and ability to pay.
Okay.
What the car and also carbon we should trade.
Okay.
Yeah, buy no a contract our man. One say you have a parliament, a budget. Na Ministry of Roads and Highways our budget. Into ya award the contract to suit the budget. Yeah, you have to say.
The contract.
Yeah, we road fund.
Na budget.
Where are we? Mama Chokoko Rose Nkwa. On by Parliament to say, the 1.6 billion Ghana cedis by rules. You ever take over 2017? Not 2015-20 season cocoa season. 2015-2016 cocoa season. On budget 1.6 billion. Approval from Parliament. No award the contract to 5.1 billion.
Okay, so review here more yeah. Who's a buy no review contract? After all the review.
Ghana for say 2.5 years and so what? It me uncle. It is president is a set committee. So committee ni enhwe holistically yam kai the contractors nyina. Ni enhwe kwa be fa so ya ye be sika. Ni entuase because aban emra sika ni cheni nyina no. Not delayed interest on delay payment so na ema bono sikara den ekosoro.
But why the committee? Because Ministry of Roads, Ministry of Finance, do they believe in the committee?
Things were done haphazardly in the past.
Thank you. That's okay.
Inti yanya committee ni mra banting no be kire enka do wa ye de no pɛ sika o mandate no no ni yehwe kwa be fa so e benya sika ye de be tu sa puru afi ho bola no afi ho na afi contractors obi ahan no no atumi akɔ na adwuma
so
menya ba mesrew sesi obi e dia sana memnya be ma bi I say ne baba kito Kolebu MOH school friend Chelsea Sharon Chinry na kowa ne birthday on the 18th.
Oh, enyenruye eni odi abra won tem.
I say by force so menya nsam free ha.
Okay.
Menya ba onim me yase menwa chairman na no me ne nyina na enam na nyina yesu sa asemi ho e wo lift mu Parliament e not ya
nti unso obi ntimi ne wo monkomo
David me can say
I am not happy with the contractors being paid. That's
what I want from you.
And yes, secret. Me, I'm not happy, and it's affecting my position.
I'm like, oh, say monkomo offer
one cast has something me prompt.
No, I'm not happy. No, be happy. The president is not happy. But yeah, I can't buy it.
2 years in Yentuanaka. 2 years will be a juma. Contractors almost ye nyina TV. In some kind ye nyina TV. And a band way
and no your side. Yente aband ye because e bi onuma adan obi ma me info e bi o say musumu obi o am say yama contract onipa no e bi oni contract document to that effect no wasesa ne niama no ko site okoye ejuma so aban say bring your contractual agreements yenhwe na yenya yes say no the pictures somebody was telling me from the ministry
contract government Ghana government contractor yema award letter
they went to site just like that.
Pictures award letter. And say when your mobilization in can we start adwuma.
Okay. Omunna na mobilization.
Na person wo tu ase ne say.
Omunna na mobilization.
Na menua be make kan contract in sem there. Aban bia ba obetoka. President Kufuor efri aban mu no. Or the gang of war oja edijayen. On GOG. Ghana budget nyina po entumi near the gang of war. But Professor Mills, any your mama, a far quine, a fair quine, Eddie yes, me what?
Gang of boarding.
Oops, me bow.
Apart from near them when we hear a fancy name, I don't want to look at me here. So for like, I'm here so for like, that's all. Take off for my dancing here. Far for my dancing. So for
like the only problem is so for like, he said. Na if so much compensation match that building can see run about
Mutuai
and court
Mutuai
the court if you don't know I make
Mutuai compensation
una say viewers in it because no we in submission and your monkasa
the all about a car about the giant musa about the kaija about the kaija say if fast was some better any then e monka
in the about to understand I'm the road fund aquati loan from UBA.
Honorable I pay mpacho me da wase mane no money for
na. Munka akwan papa na ye na mo buy munka
obi ase ne
musika
na kwan papa wa ya wantu aka no na ye
abembia
e we fa na we bra
betoka me say President Kufuor e de kabo bro giant.
Okay.
Oh enya no
President Mills
to mama buy no constituency o den na okay. Boarding apart from a high boarding.
Na me ngonwa say
kwa for Kroma Pedajantion.
Untimi
say untumi
awadi
so a usi kechire
pacho
usi kechire na enye mo beto mo ba bem mo dwamanum e kasaye e che Ghana fo ye be say sika no wo ha ye ba e betuatua ni nyina President Kufuor e kase within 100 days we betua contract the sika no nim sky Ghana no nim Ghana budget because ne running mate e ba omia onu si o Bank of Ghana into Ghana sika do wo nyina o kase obey Ghana clean
Bank of Ghana
within 18
Ghana sika do wo nyina
o kase obey Ghana clean obema Accra na nyo na ne kae so nim sika wo Ghana onim Ghana sika na sika no wo ha enye se bobosia fi bia
the amount say you
onye se bobosia fi bia ntem ka se onwe di ntro propaganda insem there and no Ghana for to abama mu and then the reality is done on them o ma confused o mu
government
afena in our manifesto I review this contract one year no afena was set another committee say on say when order no
thank you
2.5 years when to me who hwe Coco Rose who see review say 2.5 years when one no after the set committee
the main mandate is to raise funds
for the
payment.
Thank you.
Some are workers will be contract 100 within 100 days no need be raise funds.
Thank you. So on that note, Enesa Mikasa me pontem. Ena Mikasa me pontem and Pamedi me time so 9:30 pepe. On that note, me kase yeda mwase eranom our parliamentarians. Honorable Samuel Ayepe oye MP for Yensiano and Honorable Neil Ante van der Poy MP for Dodo and anope wo mobile ma yedidi enkomo ahodo abankrata nim no de be ya ne say any KJB enti echina so don't for the chair aye ba ye be ba ne aba beto so. It's been a great morning.